I'm making a new one. I should.
This is Tariq. What's your channel, Tariq?
I don't have one.
Okay.
And my name's pronounced Tarek.
Tarek.
Yes.
What's on my puzzles? You want to do a team blind?
Yes.
What?
You want to do a team blind?
Sure. You want to be blind?
Yeah. Okay. I'm doing a team blind with Tarek. That's how you pronounce it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, wait. Which way is the timer?
This is so hard to believe in.
Wait, dude. Oh, I do remember
Okay,
the timer.
ready?
Yeah. And I have another two, I think.
Okay.
What are the first moves?
The first moves are going to be.
Oh, I can't breathe. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. F R prime
Grab my pyramid.
D prime L.
F R prime D prime L.
Yes.
Ready?
That's the point.
F R prime D prime L. Okay. Now you're going to go D2 and then F prime. L. No, actually L prime. D. Hold on. Yeah, now F prime. Okay. Move this hand for a sec. Okay. R. U prime. R prime. U prime, and then no, actually U right there. No, like yes, and then same. R U prime R prime U prime.
Oh,
R prime U, and then U2. L U prime L prime. Okay.
Tell me when I'm done with F2L.
Okay, U prime, F prime, U prime, no, actually U prime, and then F. And then, U, R prime, U, R prime, no, actually R, U, L prime, U, L. Now, R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R prime, F2L.
Okay. Now what's the L? Is there an L?
Let's see, U2, just do U2, and then it's,
Is there an L there?
no, let's see, there is 3 across. The 3 edges are like, there, and there. And
I need to do a cross first. I only know the 7 PL. I mean Ola.
in that case, I'll just, R,
Where's the
R.
Wait,
U, R prime, U prime, R, F. No, sorry, R prime F.
I don't mind though.
R, F prime.
what's the PLO?
The PLL is, I'm not sure, we might do it differently, so it's,
No, just tell me like where the pieces are. Where I
okay,
have to switch it.
it's, do a U, now it's J perm.
That's which,
J perm, these 2 right here, and then these 2 right here.
these 2 and these 2.
Oh, no, it's, oh,
Is that MC M slices?
okay, you know, I'm just gonna say it in things. R,
Oh no, I want to do it.
no, it's just do R. U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U, done. 341. 341. It's backwards.
No, except can't turn it
Oh,
around.
okay.
I get a skip. I take that. Then I got a 5, which is a +2, so 7.
Colin Krishnan, Damian Liu, Gus Lipkin, Jason Bauer, Jonathan Lowe, Colleen Kenny, Daniel Freeman. Yeah, you get it. Yeah.